The social aspects of eating and drinking play a significant part in maintaining the quality of life for service users. It is common knowledge that a diet high in saturated fats and salt, combined with an inactive lifestyle, can be detrimental to your health. But an inability to eat or eat enough due to physical disability, frailty, or poor mental health, or because the food is inadequate or unappetizing, or not limiting the intake of high-calorie and high-fat foods, may also have serious implications for the health of an older person. This video, which is aimed at care workers and kitchen assistants, will examine what constitutes a healthy diet for the older person. Through a sequence of case studies, we highlight some of the challenges that will be faced within a care environment.
Good afternoon, ladies.
And highlight the safeguards that need to be put in place to ensure that the health and well-being of the older person through their food is maintained.
Morning, Marie.
Oh, morning.
Morning. I've got you your nice cup of tea, Marie.
Mrs. Maybury is in her 60s and suffers from dementia. Although she is capable of feeding herself, she often has a complete disinterest in her food, and it is difficult maintaining her attention long enough for her to eat a full meal.
Good morning, dear.
Morning.
Could I have some hot water, please, for my tea?
Dr. Rowe is staying in the home for some respite care following the recent death of her husband. She is a retired doctor and understands the importance of a good diet with exercise. All through her life she has been active and independent, but since her husband died she has become depressed.
Come in.
Frank's whole world revolves around food. He is obese, has moderately high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, and has recently developed late-onset diabetes. His GP is very concerned that if Frank doesn't modify his lifestyle, he'll have a heart attack or stroke.
And a couple of biscuits from the trolley?
I'm sure you can wait till breakfast, Mr. Robert.
I've told you, it's Frank.